Do you ever dream of making $10,000 a month? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Imagine a world where your financial worries are a thing of the past, where you call the shots. The path to this financial freedom might seem elusive, but it's within your grasp. The key lies in understanding and implementing 5 simple principles. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, get ready for a journey that could change your life. Stay tuned as we unravel the 5 principles to make this dream a reality. The first principle is mastering financial literacy. Imagine navigating a complex maze without a map. That's what handling money can feel like without understanding financial terms, concepts, and tools. By mastering these, you equip yourself with the ability to make informed decisions about investments, savings, and spending. It's like having a compass in that financial maze, guiding you towards wealth and financial independence. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about knowledge, it's about empowerment. Financial literacy is the foundation upon which your financial empire can be built. The second principle is to diversify your income streams. It's crucial not to rest your financial future on a single source of income. Think of your income streams as multiple lanes on the highway to financial success. You can speed up your journey by investing wisely, starting a side hustle, or generating passive income. This way, if one lane becomes blocked, you can easily switch to another. It's about creating a safety net for your financial health. Remember, never put all your eggs in one basket. Third, invest in yourself. This isn't about splurging on luxury items. This is about investing in your personal growth, your education, your skills. Whether it's a coding course or a master's degree, a fitness trainer or a life coach, every investment you make in yourself opens doors to higher earning opportunities. It's like planting a seed that will eventually grow into a money tree. So remember, the most profitable venture you can ever invest in is yourself. Never underestimate the power of investing in yourself. Fourth, live below your means. This principle is a cornerstone of wealth accumulation. It's about resisting lifestyle inflation, the temptation to increase your spending as your income grows. Instead, aim to save more than you spend. This doesn't mean you have to forego all luxuries. It's about making mindful decisions, prioritizing needs over wants, and investing the surplus wisely. By doing so, you're not just saving money, you're building wealth. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Finally, set financial goals. This principle is like setting the destination on your financial GPS. Clear, specific, and realistic financial goals give you a roadmap to follow. They allow you to plan your journey, track your progress, and make necessary adjustments along the way. Whether it's saving for retirement, paying off debt, or reaching that coveted $10,000 a month, your goals serve as a powerful motivator and a constant reminder of what you're striving for. With clear financial goals, you can chart your path towards making $10,000 a month. So, those were the 5 principles to make $10,000 a month. To recap, we've covered financial literacy, diversifying income streams, investing in oneself, living below your means, and setting financial goals. Each principle is potent on its own, but when combined, they create a robust and sustainable path to financial prosperity. Their cumulative impact can be the difference between just getting by and truly thriving. Remember, the journey to financial prosperity begins with a single step, so take that step today. That step.